In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your OneXBet transaction history. Before we proceed, I advise you create a professional OneXBet account, and to do that, you click on register. Then you click on phone. In this next section, I advise also to input all your details correctly, and then on the promo code section, you input your promo code Chelsea TV. After you input your promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get a free money of $40,000. When you're done, you click on these three boxes and then you register. Okay, back to our video. To delete your transaction history, you click on history normally now. When you click on history, as you can see, I do not have any transaction history here. But if you still want, you can still delete your transaction history. You click on your bet history, Toto history, auto bet history. So all those history, you can also delete them as you are deleting your normal games. Like now, when you want to delete a normal game, you click on the game, then you delete it normally to be an option there. So the same thing goes for your transaction history. When you have a bet that you want to delete or your history, you click on it and then you also have your option there to delete your bet history. It's very easy as that. And then when you delete it, it will just look like this, and then you are done.